So one of the cool things to do here at Barrett-Jackson is the thrill rides. So this year at Palm Beach, they have 4 manufacturers doing the thrill rides: Chevrolet, Dodge, Ford, and Toyota. But I will say, this go around, I did not do the Dodge thrill ride because I've already done it in Mecum this year, and plus my daily driver is a Dodge, so why would I get in line to Huna Dodge when I can do that for free at home? Continuing on, the first line I went into was the Chevrolet line, which the car they used this time was the 2023 Chevrolet Corvette C8 Z06. This is the first time ever I've ridden in a C8 Corvette. That was pretty much the highlight of the day to begin with, so here's a video of that ride. Hell yeah. Unreal. Hell yeah. The second line I went in was Ford, and the car that they offered up today was the 2023 Mach 1 Mustang. Outside my friend Sean's 2018 Ford Mustang 5-liter, I've never really had much experience with a new Mustang, so that experience was fun too, but okay, I wish it would have slid it around a little bit. It didn't have quite the acceleration as a Corvette, but it was still a fun ride. Here's a video of that. The last thrill ride experience I ran today was the Toyota experience, and the car they offered up today was the Toyota Supra. I know it has a BMW pedigree, but I was always interested in how these cars handled and performed. This track actually has 2 layouts, so he actually took the drift layout and just whipped this thing like you wouldn't believe. Here's the video of that experience right now. Awesome.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Thank you.
You've been drifting a while?
A little bit, yeah. Couple years.
Okay.
But I mean, I've been racing a lot. So,
Oh, really?
So you know how to avoid the drift. If you know how to avoid it, then you...